Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today with the Glowforge at Home group, we have group event number 2. We're calling this the Lantern event. This is basically an event that was shared by a featured artist. We're going to start featuring some members who willingly participate in these group events here by offering a file that others can edit. So as you can see at the top of the page on featured, we have it right here. You can click on that. And this event was made by Laura. She's a group member here. She was gracious enough to create this lantern here for everybody to edit and then repost their photos of their edits with the event. Kind of like we did with the first event with my box file. We're going to be doing this with group members who want to offer to create new events in the future, and then we give them a public shout out, just like I did with Laura here. Take the time to actually share like a thank you with her, because she did take the time to create this. She did really detailed instructions. Check out her Etsy shop here. It's pupyoupdesigns.etsy.com, and then her Instagram here is at pupyouup_designs. So check that out. She did a lot of work into this, and then if you would participate, we would really love to see all the different lanterns that people create. So for example, here's the original lantern that she shared here. So if you wanted to create like extensions of like flames coming off, or an engraving on the actual little window panes here, like maybe a deer scene or something cool, and share it with the group, we'd love to see it. Also, if you want to share your edits with the group, we'd like to keep everything within the group itself here. So feel free to join the group, participate in this, share your edits. One thing about this is you do have to read over everything, and there is usage rights. So she's gracious enough to let you sell the physical items, just not the digital alterations or the original design itself for sale for digital purposes, but any physical item you can resell. So just make sure you read over all the rules on how it works. Hashtag it with hashtag group event so we can find it easier at the end of the month and share everybody's at once. And then you can find this in 2 different ways. We have the Google Drive right at the bottom here. It's a link that will open straight to a Google Drive with her instructions that are really detailed. The panes and the lantern itself, or at the end of the event, it'll live solely on the group itself in the file section. So if you go up here to more, the drop down, click on files, right here are all 3 of those files for the lantern. So here's the instructions, the lantern itself, and the panes as well, and you can download those individually there as well. So that is pretty much it, you guys. This is the new group event. I highly encourage you to participate, and that way we can continue to do these events. I think it's a really cool project that we are doing with our group here to set us apart from the others. And then also, if you haven't joined the group yet and you haven't known about it, we also do have like a bunch of tutorials. We have people who want to be dedicated file testers and physical sales leads. So check that out as well. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys enjoy these group events as well. And I plan on doing this with other people. So if you want to participate and you want to be a featured artist in the group, just let me know within the group itself. Just go ahead and give me a personal message, and we'll go from there. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.